Alright, so we're back up in the Costa Rican mountains once again. We've got the mountains of, I don't even know what the hell over there, and we've got the coast right over there. So, we're talking about the crypto market. Okay, so we had a bit of a consolidation, right? Pretty significant drop. A lot of people were scared. People were calling me left and right saying, oh, is this the end of the bull run? Is it all over? Do I need to quickly sell all my, now at losses, right? All my crypto to see if I can make it out alive? Well, hopefully you didn't sell. Hopefully you weren't one of the ones that panic sold in that crazy drop we had. And I did call it, right? I did say that we were going to have this drop. You guys can check out those videos. They're my latest couple of 2-3 videos that I made. But people are asking me now, this is the drop over? Do we have continuation? Are we going to drop further? Do we have another opportunity to get some cheap crypto? Or was that it? Has the boat sailed by? So this is where I want to explain a little bit of trading psychology to you guys, okay? Because the second you want to sell your coins and buy back in lower, try and catch a dip, you are basically trading, right? You are introducing risk management, psychology. It's a bunch of different things. If you're investing for the long term, if you're just building your portfolio, it's not much of a mental game. You just keep adding to the right coins over time and you're good. But the second you want to sell and buy in back lower, that is a trade. You need to introduce a bit more of a trading mentality to it. So it's all a game of probability, right? You don't know if the market's going to go up or going to go down. It's probability, okay? If the market is up, Bitcoin is at 60K, upper 50s, right? People are talking about a market crash. I'm telling you guys that the market is going to crash, right? The probability of the market going down from that high is a lot more likely than it going up from there. You see what I mean? So it's a good idea to sell at that point. Knowing people are talking about the crash is coming, okay, things have been pretty parabolic recently, that's a good time to, okay, sell, buy back in lower. The probability is on your side. You don't have much more upside to see because you're already at a very high price for Bitcoin and all the cryptocurrencies, right? A lot of the coins were at their all-time highs at those prices. So when the market is at that point, it's a good idea to sell. The probability is on your side. You have a good chance at making a profit on that trade. Now that we've seen the market go down and tank, right? We've seen some of these coins reach some prices they haven't seen in months. That's where things get a bit more complicated because now you don't necessarily have probability on your side, right? Now the odds are almost against you. Not fully against you, but a lot more against you than they were before. Right now is not a safe bet to sell, hoping that the market crashes down lower because we're already pretty low to begin with. Okay, see how that works out. At the same time, we could see a lower drop. Keep that in mind. We could see cryptos see even more downside. That can be a possibility, but I wouldn't trade it. I wouldn't bet on it. I wouldn't be selling my Tfuel or Zilliqa or anything now to try and buy back in lower because this could very easily be the bottom of the whole dip, right? I was looking at the charts earlier today. I had received info, again, months ago that the chart was going to look like this, right? Everything's good. All of a sudden, a crash comes down, scares everyone. Then we start going up. Everyone feels bullish again. Everything's good. And then we see a real hard crash. It's literally what we just saw. What we just saw is that. Look at the chart. Look at it on the daily. Look at Bitcoin on the daily chart. You'll see we're going up. Then a hard crash. Then we came back up about halfway. Everyone feels good. And then boom, real far down. Okay, that is what has happened with the cryptocurrency market recently. Okay, so do I believe that we're going to see farther continuation? Honestly, I'm not sure. We could, we couldn't. I can't give you a definitive answer, right? I am personally not betting on it. I'm keeping my portfolio the way it is. I'm not trying to sell anything. I did a couple moves with I even did a couple moves with Tfuel. I got in and out. I got lucky. I didn't want to introduce that risk, but since I had the info, I did, and I got in and got out. That's the way you want to do it. You don't want to get greedy. You want to try and sell the top and buy back in at the bottom because you're going to get you're going to get ran over, right? You want to make your money in the middle. You want to take as much money from the market as possible. Now, there are plenty of investors out there that are a lot more passive. They're just adding to the portfolio. When they see a big market crash, they buy in heavy. That's when they got the jet ski that they've been wanting to sell for months, right? They go ahead and sell that. They've had some golfing equipment they've been wanting to sell, right? That's where, when you see the market crash like that, right, and you don't necessarily have free capital, that's where you look to, all right, I got to sell this, or I got to move some money here, money there, right? Because you've been building your portfolio over time, okay? A lot of people, they get into crypto, they don't want to go balls to the wall. They don't want to put all their money into crypto, and it makes perfect sense, right? You don't want to put your whole life into something you're not really sure of. But once you've been in crypto for a couple months and you've seen some of the gains, right, and you see this market pullback, if you're smart, if you're smart, you'll you'll think about buying rather than selling, okay? You've been buying, it's like buying your produce, right? Milk is on sale. It's 50% off. Okay, that's the way you want to look at it. You're buying your same coins, your same assets at a cheaper price, okay, for the long term. Again, being on the passive investor side, right? Which in most cases is going to give you the best return, okay? Because like I've said, trading requires an extensive learning period, learning curve, and you're going to take a lot of losses. But the long-term investment strategy, investing into the right coins, is solid, okay? So with that being said, you can't always be making money with the long-term holds in cryptocurrency due to the nature of the market cycles, okay? Towards the end of this year, we're going to be seeing the end of this crazy bull run. Then for a whole year, you're not going to really be doing much with the passive long-term holds. Why? Because we're going into a bear market. Everything's just going down and down, down, months and months and months on end, okay? So at that point, for you to be continuously making money in the crypto realm, right, in the crypto ecosystem, you need to be trading, okay? I hate to say that, but it is true. You need to be trading. That way you can make a lot of money in the bear market, because there's a lot of money to be made in a bear market, okay? So how do you go from the passive to the active investor, right? You've got your portfolio built up. You've got your long-term holds in. Okay, beautiful. On your free time, instead of looking at the charts, looking at your portfolio, seeing if it's down because of the market, learn about trading. Learn about this crypto market. If you're never going to be a trader, if trading is not for you, cool. Props, man. You're solid. You're straight. You don't have to worry about trading then. Just build your portfolio. Sell when the right time comes to sell. Have your connections, have your sources, right? Buy back in lower. Get ready for the next bull run come 2025. Hell yeah, baby. That's gonna be that's gonna be some good times. I'm gonna be filming this video down in Turks and Caicos, right? Come 2025. Ooh, I said it. It's coming. All right, so trading is necessary for those that want to continuously make money in this market. Again, a significant amount of money. You can grab your stable coins once you've sold and put it into some DeFi projects, produce you a passive income, nice 6, 7, 8%, right? APY. That is beautiful. That is solid. I'm definitely going to be partaking in that. But on the active side of things that you can actually be doing on your free time, learning how to trade, okay? I was thinking about starting a little series. I want some feedback. I want you guys to let me know what you guys think about my idea. I wanted to start like live streaming some trades, but what's beautiful about it is that I'm not really a professional trader. For the time being, I'm not really calling myself some pro trader or some expert or none of that. No, I am your perfect example of an intermediate trader, right? I've made some good trades. I've lost on a lot of trades, right? I'm not to the point where I'm like continuously busting out like high profit trades, nor am I just losing on every trade, right? I'm almost done with that learning curve, okay? The thing is that when you watch these bigger traders, right, you can't copy their risk management, because they're on a whole nother level. For you to be able to comprehend and apply the risk factor, the risk management that you should be applying now in your own trading, you need to watch someone that's at your level, maybe slightly ahead of you. I don't know. I think it's a good idea. Let me know what you guys think. I'll be posting what I would be doing is like live streaming just some trades, right? Just the live trade in and of itself, leverage trading, obviously, shorting and longing, and really sticking to like maybe one or two assets. Using Market Cipher, definitely using Market Cipher. Let me know what you guys think. I think it'd be a good idea. I think it'd be good insight, seeing what somebody is like trading just above the beginner level, not at the expert level, but in that intermediate level. But yeah, so let me know what you guys think. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys want to sign up for one-on-one crypto mentorship with me, you can sign up through the Patreon link in the description below. Please drop a like on the video, comment down below what you guys think about my little idea. Subscribe to the channel with post notifications turned on, and I'll see you guys next time.